Says this morning's robbery at its offices in Midrand will not affect the running of any courts around the country. Criminals made off with 15 computers after breaking into the building, which is mainly the administration wing of the Judiciary. The computers contain information about the country's judges, among others. The incident comes just one day after the Constitutional Court ruled in the social grants matter, severely criticizing Social Development Minister Mathabile Dlamini and SASSA for their handling of the crisis. Spokesperson in the office of the Chief Justice, Nathi Mncube, says the perpetrators went through the ground floor offices to the first floor where they targeted the computers of the Human Resources Department. Mncube says the police are investigating the break-in and no one has been arrested.
The computers that were taken, they contained information, it's a personal information that you would find in any other human resource department that relates to the payroll. The information of the judges obviously throughout the country, because that side of the administration is done at national office of the Office of the Chief Justice. So your payrolls, their salary, the ID numbers and so forth, that obviously would be contained there. But in terms of the cases and anything like that, that is done at the respective courts throughout the country. So that would not be affected. But what would be affected obviously is that some people might not be paid on time and so on, depending on whether we are able to, from our backup, recover the information that was contained there.
The Office of the Chief Justice says it's concerned that the judge's personal information is now in the hands of criminals. And in what appears to be an unrelated incident, Gauteng Judge Ramarumo Munama was held at gunpoint at his home earlier today.
This morning already, there was a judge that was robbed at his house at about 11:30 this morning at gunpoint, and some of his property was taken. That's Judge Munama, who is based in Johannesburg. So it's a concern, obviously, that now people would know, they might actually, if they're able to access the information, know where some of the judges stay and how they travel and so on, and their ID numbers. I don't think any one of us want your ID number with people that you don't even know.
The higher education